In the heart of a crumbling palace in India, a legend whispered through the corridors, the last letter of Emperor Shah Jahan, the creator of the Taj Mahal, was hidden within its walls. It was said to hold secrets that could change history. Many had sought it, but none returned. One stormy night, a daring historian named Aria decided to uncover the truth. Armed with only a flashlight and an old map, she crept into the dilapidated palace. Thunder rumbled ominously overhead, echoing her racing heart. Every step felt heavier, the air thick with anticipation. As Aria entered the grand hall, she paused. The moonlight spilled through shattered windows, illuminating dusty portraits of long-forgotten rulers. Suddenly, a noise broke the silence, a soft creaking. She turned sharply, breath held, but it was only the wind. Relief washed over her. She moved deeper into the palace, the map guiding her like a whisper. The thrill of discovery coursed through her veins, yet unease lingered. What if she was not alone? She quickened her pace, each room revealing remnants of a once glorious empire. And then she found it, a hidden door behind a tapestry, half covered in dust. A rush of adrenaline surged as she pushed it open, revealing a narrow staircase spiraling down into darkness, amplifying her heartbeat. At the bottom, she discovered a dimly lit chamber, walls adorned with ancient carvings. In the center stood a pedestal, and atop it, a small, ornate box. Could this be the treasure everyone sought? Aria opened the box. Inside lay a single parchment, aged and fragile. She unrolled it slowly, her breath hitching as she deciphered the elegant script. The letter spoke of love, loss, and a hidden treasure meant for a time when India would rise anew. But there was more, a warning: beware the shadows that guard what is forgotten. Just then, a cold breeze swept through the chamber, extinguishing her flashlight. Panic set in. Shadows flickered against the walls, and she felt a presence, something dark and ancient. Heart racing, Aria clutched the letter tightly, the weight of history pressing down on her. She dashed back up the stairs, the shadows chasing her. Bursting into the hall, she sprinted toward the exit, the storm still raging outside. As she reached the palace doors, a loud crash echoed behind her. She turned just in time to see the door slam shut, sealing the secrets within. Aria escaped into the night, the letter clutched to her chest, the thrill of history alive in her heart. Would she dare return? The mystery was just beginning.